But I am just going to show you how I like to get started in VS Code. And so you can see I keep VS Code in my dock, and that enables me to do what I'm about to do, which from my desktop, I'm going to make a new folder. It's going to be called Demo. And now I've got this folder. I like to keep all of my stuff well organized in a way that you can tell from my super tidy desktop, right? But I generally try to stay pretty well organized. Let's say I have a folder of images, or I can even make one in here. I can say image. And now I'll grab a few images from somewhere, and maybe I'll grab 10 images as the assignment requested. And copy those images in here into my image folder. I guess I grabbed 14 images. And now to open this in VS Code, my preferred way is to just drag and drop onto the dock. And you can see there's my image folder inside of VS Code. Now to make a new file, my preferred way is right here. Just click this little plus icon. We're going to call it index.html because it's the root of a website. And then to fill that up, we'll hit exclamation point and then return. And it sort of populates it with your standard HTML boilerplate. And here I can hit tab once, and you can see my tab moving, and hit tab twice. And now I can rename this document. And so that'll be the title of my web page. Now, if I want to open this up, I'm going to need Live Server, which is here. It's an extension. I can click on the Extensions tab, and I can search for Live Server. And if I didn't already have this installed, there'd be a little green button that would say Install, and I go click, and it would be installed. But you can see mine's installed. And what Live Server lets me do is it lets me control click on this file and open it with Live Server. And now we should see that come up in a web browser any second. And there it is. There's my page. And it'll, every time I save, it will update this page. So if I go in here and I make a h2 tag, and again, just like I did before, I can just type h2 and I can hit enter, and it'll fill in the opening and closing brackets for me. And so I'll say, hi there. And you can see Live Server is updating this website. It's giving us a web page from a local host. So it's serving a web page from this software to my browser. And that's really handy for all kinds of reasons. All right, that's it for this video. I'll see you in a minute. We're going to actually host this up at GitHub Pages. So you can share it to the class gallery and also show your